What happens when you mix AI and crypto meme coins? You get a crazy AI trading bot. If you love pre-sales, you're absolutely gonna love this gem we're covering today. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at a pre-sale gem that's been absolutely smashing, even though we've been in this slightly bearish market. Over on crypto market, on CoinMarketCap, guys, we can see we're currently in a 52 neutral in terms of fear and greed index. However, this gem looks like it might come in to save the day. And today we're talking about none other than Wiener AI. We've talked about Wiener AI in the past before, guys, and our investors have been very happy. We've been seeing a lot of whales enter in. Talking about whales entering in, we just passed a massive milestone of $6 million raised, and in 1 day and 3 hours, we're going to have the next price increase. So if you want to load up in the absolute lowest price, now is your chance to strike. We see over $6.1 million raised. Absolutely nothing to joke around with. Wiener AI, part dog, part sausage, part AI trading bot. It's so funny. We got the Series AI token, and then it's also a Wiener dog, which is just hilarious to see. He has a little VR headset on. We can see everything looking pretty solid. Lots of social engagement. It's been featured on a ton of different articles, blogs, and crypto related news sites. Reputable sites, may I add too. So it looks like there's some investor confidence there. What is Wiener AI? Despite its hilariously sausage exterior, Wiener AI is the pinnacle of AI trading technology. With girthy and predictive features, Wiener AI is a trader's best friend. So if you like AI and you like meme coins, this might be your bet. So AI enhanced trading, an AI interface that instantly predicts and is noob friendly, seamlessly sausage swap, never miss a golden opportunity again, zero fees. Wiener AI does not charge any fees, good doggy, and the MEV protection, slap down your wiener and never get front run by a MEV bot again, which is absolutely solid. Now, not just a bot nor simply a sausage, but an AI powered crypto trading partner designed to give you the advantages you've been searching for. So if you've been looking for an AI assistant in the crypto space of things, this is going to be your bet. So outsmart the market with Wiener AI's predictive technology. So with the Wiener AI's predictive technology combined with this user-friendly interface, allows you to instantly scour the crypto markets for the hidden gems. Ask Wiener AI to find your next trade, and it delivers the market analysis to help you win more often. The seamless swap, MEV free through the decentralized exchanges. So again, that's pretty cool how it's an AI software that's going to help you pick your project, which is absolutely insane. Tokenomics looking pretty solid, 30% for pre-sale, 20% to staking, 20% to community rewards, 10% to DEX and centralized exchange liquidity, and 20% to marketing, which is absolutely insane. And then we can see the Wiener AI master plan, which is aka the roadmap. They're basically in 3 phases. So the army launch, the contract audit, pre-sale launch, Wiener AI's preparations, worldwide marketing campaigns, and step 2 is going to be the sausage army expansion, KOL blast, Ethereum network takeover, and then step 3, token listings. Obviously we need this listed everywhere, and the trading bot launch. Not just a bot, but an AI powered crypto trading partner designed to give you the advantages you've been searching for. So that trading bot, guys, is going to be the utility that's going to make this project stand out. And I think that's why there's been so much investor confidence for this. It's not just a regular meme coin. They're slapping a utility unseen yet so far in our markets, which is going to be absolutely insane. Then how to buy type, guys. It's very simple. I'll kind of give you guys a brief summary on how to buy. Basically, you buy with ETH, USDT, CAR, or BNB. You'll connect your wallet and you'll select what you're trading for your tokens. In that case, you're going to swap very simply. If you have any questions, concerns, go over to the Discord, their Telegram, ask over there. Just be careful for scammers. Usually people are get really aggressive. Talking about their Telegram, guys, over 11,000 followers or subscribers in their Telegram community, which is absolutely insane. And we go over to the X and they have over 14,000 followers, which is insane as well. And we can see just posting memes. This was earlier yesterday, and we've just raised $6 million. Thank you to our incredible community. Get ready for more exciting adventures with Wiener AI. Now, guys, if you like AI and you like pre-sale gems, this puts everything packaged all together in a beautiful space. So if you want to load up, link in the description below. Like always though, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.